So, hello everyone. We are Team Legacy PR Deps. I'm Unnati Vaidya and we are from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology. Our problem statement is web development plus cloud PPT access control system. So, these are the team details of Legacy PR Deps. So basically, our idea is a web-based portal for students to log in and access course material, specifically PPTs. It has different roles like admin, trainer, and student, each with a specific functionalities like managing users, assigning tasks, and accessing materials. This is the flow chart. The user have to first log in according to their user role. Each user, like admin, trainer, and student, will be given the credentials through which they can access their dashboards. If it's the credential of admin, so it will be redirected to the admin dashboard, which will have the overall access to everything, right, including the trainer appointment to the students, managing students. So these are the different functionalities. Like trainer dashboard will have the access to upload PPT and the study materials and assign tasks to the students. Student dashboard will particularly focus on the viewing the course material as well as the submitting the assignments. Our core features include the cloud storage. We are using cloud storage to store our data, summarization, gamification, deadlines, and chatbot, which will be discussed in the further slides. So this is our tech stack. Front end for the front end, we are using React.js, Vite, Tailwind CSS, Axios, and ShardCN. For backend, we are using Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB and JWT. And cloud storage is there. And if deployment is necessary, we will deploy it on the render. So our idea is mainly focused on the educational institutes, like teachers can be as a trainers and upload the course materials and assign tasks to the students. Student can access and submit the assignments and track their progress. Also, the corporate training programs or the online learning platforms can also be the use cases of our project. So this is the showstopper of our project. Basically, there is an automated summarization with NLP. So students don't have to download it and put at some platform to get the summarization. They just have to click on the button and the summarization of the PPT will be there. Also, there is a chatbot assistant. If students have any doubt regarding any particular course topic, so they can ask to the chatbot and get their answer. So these are the user roles and access control of each particular domain.
So this is our project, Cloudemy. First of all, it brings you to the login page where you log in with admin, trainer or student, whatever your credentials are. You have a password. Once you log into your particular dashboard, you can see a wide range of overview of whatever is relevant to your particular role. Let's consider for admin, it shows you the total number of students, the total number of trainers, the total number of active courses, and the completion rate. It also shows the recent trainers and the recent students as well. Now moving on to the courses part. Here, the admin can add courses, has a description, it also has materials. You can view whatever the courses are uploaded by the admin. Then this also has assignments. You can add assignments. You can view details about assignments and see how many submissions are done and what was the due date. This has a system overview for the admin dashboard side of it. It shows how many total users are there and more relevant information. Now moving on to the next view. The trainer view. The trainer view can also be expected as a teacher's view, you can say. Then once we log in, it shows you relevant information about the trainer dashboard, such as the courses, the assignments, and the students. You can add a new course from here, add the title, description, and materials relevant to that particular course. In courses, it's the same as admin. You can view course, you can manage materials, and you can also edit the course. In assignments, again, it's the same. You can add an assignment yourself, or you can view details about it and see how many submissions are there. Then let's move on to the student view of this. Once the student logs in, he can see relevant information about the student himself. He can join a class from here. The classroom code will be given. He can join the class from here. There are assignments, there are submitted assignments, how many are accepted and such. Here in course materials, as you can see under courses, it can also generate a smart summary about the PPT, which will be uploaded by the trainer or the admin. Here it's the same, courses, assignments, and the profile. Then after this,